Good morning, everyone. Again, please go to week 13 and please download all these InDesign Digital Art Practice 2 sample files. There are 6 sample pictures and 1 Word file. Please download all of these. Good morning. Please go to the Moodle room, go to week 13 and download these InDesign Digital Art 2 Practice 2 sample files, 6 pictures and 1 Word file. Today, we're gonna make a book design with the InDesign software. So this is the front page, second page, third page, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth. So we're gonna create 8 pages catalog. So all the images are, now you can just download all these images from the Moodle room week 13. And you will see the same content in the Word file, the sample Word file from the Moodle room. All right, so let's get started. So please open your InDesign software. And then we're going to create a new file. So on the left top corner, you will see new file, blue button. Please click this. And then let's just put the title like, InDesign Practice 2. And then please change the unit as inches. And if this size looks different with mine, then please go to print and click the letter size. Then you will see 8.5 by 11 size, but we are not going to make it portrait view. So for this project, please click this landscape view. So it will be 11 by 8.5. And when you scroll down, so here, we're gonna make 8 pages. So please put 8 in this page section. And it's going to be start number 1. And please make sure this facing page button is marked, because we're gonna put the cover page separately. And then let's put the column as 3. So we're gonna make 3 columns per each page. And then for the rest of part, you can just leave that. And hit create. So when you zoom out, see, you will see 8 pages. So it looks like a book. The first page is the cover, and the bottom single page will be another cover, and the inside pages are here. All 6 pages for the inside. On the right side, you will see pages section. When you click it, you will see a page window. So this is going to be a navigation to go to the each pages. So everyone, did you create a new file like this? Can I move on?
Yes.
Yeah. All right. All right. So today's practice is very important for the InDesign software program because we're gonna use the master pages, which is the most important function of this program. So let's see what it is. When you see this page window, you will see none with the single page and a master with double pages, right? So the master means when you create something in the master page, it's gonna be applied for the all of the pages automatically. So which is really a great function of the book design. So you don't need to create the same design for each pages. So let's just create color swatches first before we move on to the master pages. So please open the swatch window on the right side, swatches. And this time, we don't have any color, so we cannot find any theme color, right? It's all right, Design. So Design, go to the model room and go to week 13. And please download all these 7 files. You will see InDesign Digital Art Practice 2 sample files, 6 photos, and 1 Word files. And then open it in InDesign and let me know when you open the program. All right. Okay, so back to the program. So like I said, we don't have any color guide to make a theme color, right? So we're gonna add color themes here. So on the right corner of the swatch window, you will see menu bar, right? Click this and you will see new color swatches. And please click this. So of course, you can just create your own color here with the CMYK color. Do you remember what the CMYK? These colors are using for the print. So in design, most of the artists use CMYK color because this file is supposed to work with the print shop. So you can also create colors with the these CMYK bars, right? Cyan, magenta, yellow, like that. And then you can just hit add. See, here is a new color you just created. So you can use that same color into any designs of this book. But when you work as a professional or just junior designer, you have to know what the Pantone colors, because most of the designers and the print shop or any other companies or other designers, they work with the Pantone color. That is the color code. So when you open this new color swatches, and please click this color mode. Then when you scroll down, you will see Pantone color list. So you can take a look at, look at them, after this meeting, because, there are diverse colors here, but from now on, for this practice, we're gonna just click this Pantone CMYK coated color. That's the most popular color swatches. Then see, all the Pantone colors are here. There's so many detailed colors. So just pick some colors and then add in your swatches window. So maybe just to pick, let's just pick 3 colors in this Pantone palette. I like this color. See, it has the color code with the CMYK number. One purple. Blue. Let me just add one more color. Maybe I wish I had a greenish color. Like this. All right, so when you add all the colors you want in your swatches window, then you can just hit done to close the window. Now, please go back to the pages window and open it. Now we're gonna work the master pages. So please double click any master pages, double click, see? You will see only 2 pages now. So we're gonna create a master page here. So for the, the basic things, so when you open a book, you will see a number, right, at the bottom corner. So we're gonna create a number, and then it's going to be automatically created when you set up the numbering in this master page with the same design. So let's just do it. So I'm gonna work on the left bottom corner first. So this time I'm gonna use this rectangle tool. Please go, see on the left toolbar, and then click this rectangle tool. And then just to drag your mouse and then create a rectangle. And I don't want to make a stroke for this rectangle. So go up option panels, and then here is a stroke color, right? Click it and hit none. And also for the filling color of this rectangle, change the color if you want. Maybe I like this green color. So let's just take a look at what it looks. So when you double click this none or any pages, double click any pages, we cannot see anything on the right side of the pages, right? However, when you see the left side, you see this rectangle shapes are automatically attached on the left pages, which is very convenient function for the published design. So let's just go back to the master page. So double click this master pages. let's just make it a little bit better. So I'm gonna match this shape to the column box and the bottom. Let me just change the color. I want this color. Yeah, there we go. And now is important. I want to add the number for each pages. Then please go to the left toolbar and then click this type tool. And then drag a box, draw a box to write a number. But, let's just, let me just show you. So if I put the number here, 1, and then double click to see other pages. So see, here's a 1. On the second page, you will see number 1, and the other page has number 1. That's not what I want. So going back to the master pages. So please go to type and then go to insert a special character and markers and hit current page number. Then the number changed to like A. That makes automatically numbers. So I'm gonna move this down on the top of the rectangle box. And then let me just regulate this type box to fit on the rectangle side. And then I will put this letter on the center. Also, I will, let me just make it a little bit bigger. So when you see the top panel, you will see the character options. So you can change the character size or font, anything. And then I just want to put this a little bit bottom. So looks like center. So I just created a page, master pages. So let's just take a look at how it looks when we see the normal pages. So double click on the second page. See, it has number 2. And when you see the fourth page, it has a 4 and 6 and 8, right? So now let's work on the right side pages. So let's going back to the master pages, double click the master pages. It's very simple because I'm gonna just copy and paste. So change the tool to the selection tool on the left top toolbar, and then drag all together and hold Option and drag it to the right. And hold the Shift key, Shift, to make a level. Ignore this blue, the purple line is gonna be disappear soon. Okay, so see, it has same A and A. Now let's take a look at how it looks like when we're going back to the normal pages. So double click any normal pages. See, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you don't need to measure like and use the ruler and then set the right alignment, or to create and copy and paste multiple times. You don't need to. It's just to automatically create that numbering. But here's the thing. So we're going to create a book. So I don't want to put the number on the first page and the last page, because the first and the last page just are supposed to be a cover. So let's just delete these numbers. So click this first page and then right click and apply master to pages. Click this and you will see the page number here. And then please open this apply master options and you will see none option. And click this none option and hit OK. See, the number is disappeared, but the rest of the pages has the number. And let's delete this, now the last page's number. So double click this 8 pages. And then, I'm sorry, you don't need to double click, just to click it and right click and click this apply master to pages. And just to change the option of this apply master as none and hit OK. Which is amazing, right?
Professor, I don't see that option when I right click.
You don't see the options? Okay.
Mine says apply parent or something.
So let me just show it to you, and then if you cannot see it, then you can just share your screen so I can find yours. So again, click the page that you want to remove the master number, and then right click and see apply master.
Yeah, I see it.
Yes. Did you see it?
Mhm.
Very good. And when you click it, you will see apply master options and just click none and hit OK. Then the master number will be disappeared. And here's another skills. So if you sometimes, when you design something, you just want to change one piece of master, right? It can be, but if you change, the color, for example, the color in the master pages, then it's gonna be, automatically applied to all of the, the even pages. Then I don't want to do it. In that case, if you want to change a specific masterpiece, then hold Option and Shift. Sorry, you have to change the tool as a selection tool. Option, Shift, and click it. Oh, I'm sorry, it's not Option. Command, Shift, and click it. Then you can change the letter. Also, Command, Shift, click, and you can change the color of the master setting like this. See, only the second page has a different color. Again, let me just change this fifth color, the fifth page color. So change the tool as the selection tool, and then Command, Shift, and click the rectangle color. Then you can change it. And it's just automatically bringing to the front. So I'm going to just, bringing back, Command, Shift, click, and right click, and arrange. Where is arrange? Okay, so going to object, and then so in that case that we just touch the master pages. So you can just find the range here, object, and then arranged, but it's not working here. So let me just, oh, it's just separated from the master pages. All right, so let's just, forget this part. All right. So like this, change the color. Yeah. Now, if you want to, remove this, the individual addition, then just go to the page windows and then click this menu bar. And then you will see, sorry, which one is it? Where's the options? Oh, it's gone. Supposed to be here. Okay, so, oh, here we go. So, the menu bar and then master pages, and here, remove all local override. Then you will see the normal master designs. So the page settings almost done. Now let's just create another master pages. So to create a new master pages, just click here on the menu bar of the pages window, and then click this new master. So you can just leave this prefix as B, and then you can, if you want, you can change the name, like design or whatever you want, and then hit OK. So we just created the second master pages. Now, for this second master design, I want to create a background for the text content. So choose rectangle tool and then drag your mouse to draw a rectangle to fill the left page. And then let me just change the colors, non-stroke, and then lighter color. Also, I want to make it a little bit lighter with the reducing the opacity. So you can change the opacity on the top option panels. Like that. And then I'm gonna add some circles. So when you hold this rectangle tool, you will see more options. So I'm gonna choose ellipse tool. I'll draw a circle, hold Option and Shift to make a perfect circle. And then I'm not gonna make an outline for this circle, and then I will change the color, purple. And also I will reduce the opacity a little bit. And then let me just change the size a little bit. So I'm holding Shift key, Shift, to set the same proportion. And then I will copy this circle by holding Option and drag this circle to the left, and then hold Shift to make the same proportion, but make it smaller. And one more time, hold Option to copy this circle and drag this circle to the right. And then to scale this circle, hold Shift and just regulate the size. And then just, put the circle where you want. And now I'm gonna create a right side of the second master page. So I'm gonna just copy and paste the first, hold Option and drag all of them to the right. And I'm gonna just change the color. So click this background and then open the color swatches from the top option panels and then change the color. And then let me just change this circle color as pink. It doesn't look great. So I'm going to change green. Again, green. And another green. All right. So now we're going to apply this cute design for some pages. So let's just going back to the normal pages. So just double click any regular pages. So nothing happened, but we see the designs we created in the master the pages on the top in the page window, right? So let me apply this pink page to the second page. So drag this pink page to the second page like this. See, it's automatically applied. And then this time I'm gonna apply this green page to the maybe 7th page. So just drag this to the 7th page like this. It's very cool, right? And it's very convenient. So now the book layout is done. So now we're gonna just add the contents here. So the process is pretty much the same as what we did in the last meeting. So open all the the downloaded pictures folder, and then we're gonna create a rectangle frame box on the cover page. So drag a frame on the cover page, and then let's just use simple 5 picture. So drag this picture into this rectangle frame. Oh, it's too big. So how to fit in? Here, there is an option to fit the image in the frame box on the top panel. So click this. So it's automatically fit in the frame. Now, let's just work on the 3rd page because I'm going to add the text on the 2nd page. So just to use the same tool, like a rectangle frame tool. And then this time I'm going to draw this frame into these columns. So I can create the white frame for the frame. I'm sorry, for the picture. So drag your mouse to draw a frame into these columns. And then let's drag the sample 1 picture into this frame. It's too big. I'm gonna fit the picture in this frame. Very good. And keep doing it. Drag a rectangle frame. Then 2nd picture, the sample 2 picture, and fit it into the frame. Again, draw a rectangle frame.
An option to fit in the frame.
Huh? What
At
did
the
you,
top, I don't have the option to fit in frame.
in the top of the option?
Yes, like all the options at the top end at about where it shows like that right angle line and it says 1P0.
I
So
don't,
about halfway.
how create what?
Let's see.
Okay, please share your screen.
I can show because I'm on the separate, but that's where my options end at the top.
Do you mean the pages?
No, like here where you clicked to fit the image to the page. I don't have anything else after this.
You don't have the option to fit in the picture in the frame. Okay, now I
No,
get it.
don't.
Okay, so in that case, here is the shortcut. We always know the shortcut. So let me just try this. So for example, let me just drag this picture. So if you cannot find, this, the fill frame, the option on the top, then hold Command Option Shift E as eraser. That's not what I want. It's just to fit into the width. Just to find this option here. Okay, so you can find the option here, object, and then fitting, and please click this. It was a C. I'm sorry. It was a C. Command Option Shift C.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. And again, drag the frame. And then drag a picture into the frame. And now I'm gonna make the last frame, but this time it's gonna be covered. So I'm gonna make the rectangle to fill all the page. And then drag a sample 6 picture into this frame. This is already now looking good. So now please open this sample content file. So I'm gonna attach this, copy and paste this contents into this second page. So with the title, drag a type box, and then I'm gonna copy the title. If you want, you can, type anything you want, doesn't matter. And then change the font from the top, then make it bigger. And then draw another type box with the type tool. And let's just copy and paste this. And then change the font, change the size. And then maybe you can just, make the paragraph organized like this. Let me just drag this and then copy all together. And then I will paste this on the 7th page. Yep, that's it. It's done. Oh, wait a minute. Let's just add the title. So on the first page, let's just draw another type box. And what was the title? Illustration book. So I just put the title as Illustration Book 2022. If you want to, change the title, you can do it. And then I'm gonna align this word on the center and then change the font, make it larger, too big. There we go. Oops, I want to change the color at white. Wait. Now, on the back cover, I'm gonna put the, another subtitle, draw the type box, and then anything. You can just add anything here. Make a center, make it bigger, and change the color as white. And now let's just put it on the center. It's really done. See? Looks great. So now let's see. Jordi Xpear. So I saw your posting for the last practice, but you've posted like this InDesign file. You're supposed to post a PDF version. Okay, so you must save it as package, not just to save it regular, because I cannot see your file if you post your work as InDesign file. Okay. So let me just show you how to save as package again. Go to File, go to Package, and just hit Package and save. You're gonna save it first, and then put your name, and then just check the location and hit Save, and hit Package, and hit OK. So now when you save it, you will see a folder as a package. And when you double click it, you will see PDF version, right? You must post your work practice as a PDF version, this one, not the original file. I cannot see anything what you post. So you must post PDF version.